Drinks on 'em. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Azure and I am back with another video. In this vlog I am actually on my way getting ready. I'm gonna go and get my hair done, and then I'm actually going to be heading out to have dinner later. So like I always say, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into this vlog. I just got back in the house. Ooh, getting my hair done. Now I'm gonna actually get ready to go where we have reservations at Brooklyn Chop House at 4:30, so I'm just gonna get ready. So I did my makeup and I'm getting dressed and getting everything together. Once I'm done, I'm gonna head out and yeah, I find my jewelry. I have this tennis necklace and tennis bracelet that I can't find, but I found my ring. So I just got here. I'm just waiting for 2 other parties so that we can go in. Our reservation was for 4:30. It is now 4:20, so I'm just waiting for 2 parties to come in, and then we're gonna go inside. And we're still in quarantine, so you still have to wear the face mask. New York's supposed to be shutting down tomorrow, so we're trying to get everything in by this week. So if they do shut down, at least we did something. So yeah, just stay tuned. We're just waiting, and we're out. Okay, so we just got to Brooklyn Chop House. I'm here with my bestie, and then we're waiting for Faith and Celine to come, and then we're gonna order some food. Yeah, this is a black owned, baby, and we are in here. We're about to order some food. Okay, so we're all here. Celine is here. Say hi, Celine. Say hi, Faith.
We gotta get in content.
So we got the food. We got the, what did we get? The nine seasoned shrimp or whatever. Yeah. Nine something shrimp. And then I got a lychee martini. And they playing Ari Lennox. Ooh. So we got the food. We got the, what did we get? The nine seasoned shrimp or whatever. Yeah. Nine something shrimp. And then I got a lychee martini. And they playing Ari Lennox. Ooh. Overall review of the restaurant, it was amazing. The customer service was great and the hospitality was great. As I said before, it is a black-owned restaurant located in Brooklyn, right near the Brooklyn Bridge. The food is really good. They have steaks, they have seafood. It's more of like, it's definitely a steakhouse vibe. But overall, the place is great and I had a great time. Now it's time to party. Sorry guys, we have not been vlogging. It's been so much going on, but we left Brooklyn Chop House. We are headed to Katra. They having stuff because, you know, New York gets shut down tomorrow, so you know we got to do what we do and get our fun. So meet us there, Katra.
Sorry guys, we have not been vlogging. It's been so much going on, but we left Brooklyn Chop House. We are headed to Katra. They having stuff because, you know, New York gets shut down tomorrow, so you know we got to do what we do and get our fun. So meet us there, Katra. Let me see you. Pass it. Pass it. See that piano. I wasn't ready, but I'm ready.
Hey guys, I just got back in the house. Last night turned out awesome. It's 12 a.m. right now. So I just got out of the shower and I'm greasing my scalp and I'm going to be going to bed. Thank you guys so much for watching and being in tune. I have no voice. Like I always say, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, I'm out.
Drinks on 'em.